और हम हार्दिक अभिनंदन और स्वागत करते हैं माननीय श्री नितिन गडकरी जी का, माननीय सड़क परिवहन एवं राजमार्ग मंत्री। मैं माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महाराष्ट्र श्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे बैम्बू किट भेंट कर माननीय मंत्री श्री नितिन गडकरी जी का स्वागत करें। चूंकि महाराष्ट्र नए आयाम स्थापित कर रहा है बैम्बू की खेती और विकास में, तो ये विशेष किट माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय अपने साथ लेकर आए हैं। और माननीय मंत्री श्री चौहान जी से हमारा अनुरोध है कि कृपया कुछ मिनटों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें। बहुत तत्परता के साथ यंग साइंटिस्ट अवार्ड कुछ पुरस्कार जो हमारे बच गए हैं, आपसे विशेष अनुरोध मंत्री जी, कुछ मिनट, सिर्फ कुछ मिनट, बहुत ज्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे आपका। एक बार फिर माननीय मंत्री श्री चौहान जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां। हमारा अनुरोध मानने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत आभार। मैं एक बार फिर मैं सभी से अनुरोध करूंगी, सभी गणमान्य अतिथि, कि वे कृपया मंच के बीचों बीच आ जाएं। कुछ पुरस्कार जो वितरित करने हैं वो माननीय मंत्री श्री गडकरी जी से अनुरोध है अपने कर कमलों द्वारा दें। Starting with Young Scientist Award very quickly, Mr. Munir Khan, scientist, Harvard University.
An innovator from a very young age, he has
देश की
demonstrated
बहुमुखी
creative
प्रतिभा
thinking and
जिन्होंने
excellent
दुनिया में अपना लोहा मनवाया,
His works on
हार्वर्ड
soil
यूनिवर्सिटी
quality
में भी अपना
monitoring
झंडा
device
गाड़
has
चुके
revolutionized the
साइंटिस्ट।
way farmers approach agriculture. His soil monitoring systems are equipped with sensors that measure various parameters and support rupees 485 integration into IoT solutions.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lifetime Achievement Award goes out to none other than Dr. Kadan Kannan Unni.
Commercial executive with over
Please
55
welcome
years
with
of
a
experience in
huge big round
agrochemicals
of
and
applause.
animal health segments, Dr. Kadankote Kannan Unni did yeoman service in bringing newer chemicals to
A
combat
beloved
increasing
leader,
menace in
a
cotton,
visionary,
rice,
Dr.
wheat,
Unni
and
has
vegetables. Dr. Unni also took
graced
the lead in
the
bringing
entire day
versatile
here
rice
today.
herbicide, which was
Kudos
not
to
registered
him.
anywhere in the world. He succeeded in 1990s in local manufacturing of several
For
agrochemicals.
program leadership,
active
put your
ingredient.
hands
Agriculture
together
today
for
presents
Dr.
the award
Poonam
for program leadership to Dr.
Malakondaya,
Poonam
former
Malakondaya.
Special Chief
A rare
Secretary,
breed of
Government of Andhra
bureaucrat,
Pradesh.
Dr. Poonam Malakondaya, former Special Chief
Please
Secretary,
welcome with a
Government of
round of
Andhra
applause. जो
Pradesh
लोग
has
पीछे
an
बैठे
iron
हैं, आप
fist
सभी
when
से
it
अनुरोध
comes
है
to
तालियों में
implementation of
कंजूसी मत
policies and
कीजिए।
programs. She played a significant role in the
आपकी तालियों से
implementation of
हमारा
Andhra Pradesh prestigious
उत्साह
program,
बढ़ता है।
Raitu Bharosa Kendralu, RBK. RBKs ensured the availability of certified and quality multi-branded agri-inputs, fish feed, cattle feed to farmers
For
at right
technology
price.
leadership, please
Agriculture
put your
today
hands
presents
together
the
for
award
Tirth Agro Technology
leadership to
Private
Tirth
Limited.
Agrotechnology PVT Limited. Tirth Agro Technology Private Limited, under the brand Shaktiman, has become a prominent Indian agricultural implements manufacturer with a vision to fully mechanize Indian agriculture through a robust dealership network, world-class manufacturing, and a diverse product range. One crucial area needing mechanization
And ladies
is
and
cotton
gentlemen,
farming.
the CEO of the Year
Agriculture
Award
today
goes out
presents
to
the
Dr.
award for
Rahul
CEO of the Year
Mirchandani,
to Dr.
Chairman and
Rahul
Managing
Mirchandani.
Director,
With
Aries
3
Agro
decades of
Limited.
experience as part of the promoter group at Aries Agro Limited, an Indian multinational company in the business of manufacturing of specialty plant nutrient solutions, Dr. Rahul Mirchandani has pioneered several unique marketing processes and brand management tactics at Aries. From launching India's first loyalty program in
For
agribusiness,
innovation
India's
leadership,
agriculture
please put
today
your hands
presents the
together for
award
the
for
Union
innovation
Territory of
leadership to
Jammu
the
and
Union
Kashmir.
Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has been witnessing a transformative change in the agriculture sphere. JNK ranks 5th in average monthly income per agriculture households. Horticulture is the major subsector of J&KS agriculture sector, which plays a key role in the economy
best
of Union Territory.
State for Food Processing Award goes out to the state of Himachal Pradesh.
Food processing to the state of Himachal Pradesh. With progressive policies and innovative schemes, the state of Himachal Pradesh has augmented its food processing infrastructure over the years. With 23 designated food parks, 1 dedicated mega food park, 18 cold chain projects, 1 inland container depot and 281 food
Ladies and
processing
gentlemen,
units.
please join me in welcoming for Best Horticulture State Award goes out to the state of Nagaland. And joining us to receive the award is none other than the Horticulture Minister of Nagaland herself.
Visibly enhanced rural livelihood and
Let's give her a
improved the
very,
economic
very
positions of farmers.
huge round of
Through farm
applause.
diversification and creating employment opportunities, the government has ensured nutritional security and ecological sustainability. Having brought an area of 6,800 ha under organic
The Best
certification,
Animal
the
Husbandry
department's
State
Best
Award goes
Animal
to
Husbandry
the state of
the
Haryana.
the undisputed leader in the animal husbandry sector, contributes 65 lakh tons of milk per year, which is more than 5. 19% of the nation's total milk production of 2,305. 77 lakh tons. A major source of round-the-year
और
employment
सज्जनों,
and livelihood to small farmers.
पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह का तो अंत हो गया, किंतु शाम अभी बाकी है। तो आइए प्रोग्राम के अगले चरण की ओर चलते हैं। We present to you a curtain raiser of Grains World 2024 दुबई। मैं माननीय मंत्रीवर आप सभी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि इस पुस्तिका के विमोचन के साथ ही क्योंकि ये आप ही के कर कमलों द्वारा होना था, माननीय श्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी के हम बेहद आभारी हैं। बेहद कृतज्ञ और बेहद आभार।
मैं माफी चाहता हूं, एक और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण काम था, कार्यक्रम था, इसलिए जाना पड़ रहा है। वैसे तो आपके साथ रहने को ही जी करता है, लेकिन अभी जाना पड़ेगा। नितिन जी अब हैं तो आगे कार्यक्रम जारी रहेगा। धन्यवाद।
तो देवी और सज्जनों, आइए एक नजर डालते हैं इस कर्टन रेजर पर। जैसा कि हमने देखा, इस पुस्तिका का विमोचन हुआ। ये ब्रोशर था ऑफ ग्रेन्स वर्ल्ड 2024 दुबई, और इसके